Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll be spicing up the front end of my Opel Vectra. I'll be painting and installing new facelift headlights. As you can see, the ones that are on here are really not looking good and have a bunch of moisture in them. I'll be painting the chrome piece you see right here with some basic matte black paint. And I'll be sealing the headlights using this all exterior heavy duty glue. I got both of these headlights from an online junkyard, which cost me €40 plus shipping. Both of them came with plugs, wires and bulbs. So my primary plan was to bake them in the oven so the glue would melt and I could just disassemble them, but obviously it doesn't fit. So I just opted for the hairdryer method, which worked well but took more time. After a while, both of the headlights got disassembled and the chrome pieces that needed to be painted got sanded. And after some fiddling with the glue and the glass, this is how they came out. And now, let's go install them. That clip right there needs to be pushed down to allow the turn signal to come out. With that out of the way, I now have access to the last bolt which holds the headlight in. With the headlight now out, it reveals that there's an extra air box which sits behind the bumper. It's only an empty plastic box which serves no purpose, so I just took it out. For the installation to be successful, I need to cut the old plug off, match the colors and solder the new plug on. And yes, of course, I know, I'm not a professional, but if it works in the end, it works with me. So pretty much I repeated the whole process to all the wires that need to be soldered. I just didn't want to show you that because then the video would be an hour long. After some research on the forums, I found out that you need to remove the bumper to have access to bolt down the facelift headlights. And also this piece right here needs to be removed so the turn signal can fit in there. So this is the end result, and I do have to say so myself, they look way better than the old ones. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.